So I'm making a corn dog batter with flour and cornmeal and sugar, but instead of doing like, the run-of-the-mill corn dog on a stick, I'm making them bite-sized. Kids are gonna be running around, why not make them bite-sized? So I've cut up 4 hot dogs. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna make my batter now. I have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've melted, adding it to a bowl with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. Give it a whisk. Right now for my dry, I have a 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Now I'm gonna add my wet to my dry. Little sweet, a little salty. Whisk it together. All right, I have a mini muffin tin that I've sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. I have a little mini cookie scooper here. I'm gonna scoop out my batter. 1 scoop should do the trick. And then put my little pieces of hot dog in the center. Growing up and going to the state fairs, and I think as a kid, I was excited about the rides, but I was that type of kid that was more excited about the carnival food. Anything on a stick, anything deep fried, I was there for it. You wanna fill your mini muffin tin halfway. You don't wanna fill it all the way to the top because you gotta make room for your hot dog. So I'm gonna just put them directly in the center, and when it bakes up, it's gonna kind of like cover it, so the little hot dog is gonna peek in the middle. All right, so I have my oven preheated to 375. I'm gonna bake these off for about 10 minutes. The big debate, ketchup or mustard on your hot dog? I am a mustard girl, and I don't feel like figuring out what these kids like, so I'm gonna combine the both. So I've got some Dijon mustard here I'm gonna put in the bowl. I wanna try to do equal parts ketchup, a little bit of honey just to make it sweet, and some mayo. Give it a little creaminess. 2 heavy spoonfuls mayo. A little salt and pepper to give it a little flavor. So simple, and it satisfies everyone's craving. Let me give it a taste. That is really the best of both worlds. I taste a little bit of the ketchup, I taste the Dijon, I taste the honey, and then the mayo just makes it creamy. I smell them. Smell that sweet cornmeal batter. Oh, look at these golden brown. They're so cute and mini. These are gonna be great for the carnival, but you know what? You can actually serve these at a birthday party. I promise you they'll be a hit.